Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. If you are watching first time my video, do subscribe my channel. Please like, share and do comment. Okay, next question I am going to explain. See, third question, take pi is equal to 3.14. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is given. Directly we can calculate the circumference of the circle, but here condition is given 3.14 only, we can take the pi value. Okay, so directly I am explaining. If I will write means it will take time, so that see here, calculate the radius of a circle whose here given are 8 centimeters by 3.14. Now circumference of circle 2 pi r. 2 into pi value 3.14 into r value 8 is given. So now you can multiply. Here very simple multiplication only, very important calculation here. 2 8 is 16. With 16 you can multiply 3.14. So I did here 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 6 plus 2 8. Okay, and 6 3 is 18. Now with 1 you can multiply 1s, and 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. Now you can do the addition. 4 8 plus 4 12 carry, and 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10 carry, again 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 5024 you got now. But see here, two digits after decimal point is there. Okay, so two digits after, right side onwards, 1 2, two digits after you can take the decimal point. That will becomes 50.24 centimeter. Therefore circumference of circle 50.24 centimeters. Next value or 15 centimeters given. Now directly substitute r value here and pi value. Then 2 15s are 30. 30 into 3.14 you can do. See here I did. See 0 if you multiply means all you will get 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. Do the addition. 0 2 4 9. Okay, two digits after decimal point. 1 2, two digits after decimal point. So 94.20 centimeter. Okay, now next r is equals to 20 centimeters given now. So circumference of the circle 2 into 3.14 into 20. 2 220 is a 40. 40 you can multiply. With 40 you can multiply. See here I did. With 40 I multiplied. If you multiply 0 means you will get 0. 3 next to 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. This is 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. Now add. Okay, so you will get this value. Then you two digits after take decimal point 1 2. So 125.60 centimeters. Okay, now see here, second bit calculate the radius of circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. Dear friends, once look at here, circumference only given, we need to find out the radius, or we need to find out here. Okay, now for that, see here, given that circumference 44 centimeters, circumference of circle 2 pi r formula you can take. You can substitute value 2 into 22 by 7 into r as it is. Why? Because we need to find out that value, which is equal to circumference of circle 44. Now you can take the transpose of 7. Okay, here division is there. Transpose of division, multiplication. Okay, now r is equals to, again 44 into 7 divided by this. You can take transpose. Here multiplication, transpose of multiplication, division. So 2 into 22 you will get that. Now r is equals to this value you get. Now do the cancellation. Here directly I am doing 21 ones are 21 twos are 44. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancellation. Okay, now with you left value is 7 centimeter. Circumference of a circle 7 centimeter. Sorry, radius we need to find out now. Radius of the circle 7 centimeters. Okay, next question. See here, fourth question. If the circumference of circle is 264 centimeter, find its radius. Here also we need to find out r value. Okay, take 22 by 7 pi value. Here some questions they are mentioning special value what you need to take, that only you can take, better it is. Next, see here 264 given, no? Now you can substitute all the values and you can take the transpose of 7, and after that r is equal to 264 into 7, this transpose of this value can be, it becomes division. Okay, so 264 into 7 by 2 into 22. Now you can do the cancellation, better it is. Okay, see 264 by 2 if you take separately, I took and I did. See 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 132 into 7 by 22, right? So with 22 again I did the cancellation. See 22 2 2 with 2 table you can do 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 is left, 12, 2 6 are 12. So 66 by 11 you will get. Again with 11 table, 11 1s are 11 6 are 66. So 6 you will get. That 6 into this remaining number is 7. So 6 7s are 42 centimeters. So radius of the circle 42 centimeters. Next question, fifth question. See, if the circumference of a circle is 33 centimeter, find its diameter. Here we need to find out the diameter of the circle D. For that, once here see circumference of a circle 33, find its diameter. Now directly you can take this formula. Why? Because here the diameter of the circle we are using, no? So 22 by 7 into D is equal to circumference 33 given. We need to find D value. For that, what you will take, 22 into D is equal to transpose of division multiplication. Okay, so D is equal to transpose of multiplication, here division. Okay, now D is equal to 33 into 7 by 22. Now you can do the cancellation. Okay, 11 table, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. Okay, so 3 into 7 by 2, 3 7s are 21, 21 by 2, you can do the division. Okay, 2 10s are 20, remainder is 1, we cannot do division, so you can take the decimal point, it will becomes 10. So 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 10 0, so that value is 10.5. Therefore diameter of the circle 10.5 centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.